Induction brazing works by generating an electromagnetic field that precisely and efficiently heats the joint area, without any flame or direct contact. When the brazing alloy melts, it flows into the joint by capillary action, forming a strong and leak-free bond as it cools. This clean and controllable process is ideal for copper, brass, aluminum, and stainless steel connections in HVAC, refrigeration, and automotive applications. This video showcases Ketchen's newly developed split-type induction coil, specially designed for brazing workpieces that are difficult to remove after welding. In this demonstration, our automatic induction brazing system uses the openable inductor to precisely heat and braze multiple joints on a plate heat exchanger. The system delivers fast and uniform heating, stable temperature control, and excellent repeatability, making it perfect for automated production lines. With Ketchen's innovative induction technology, even complex brazing tasks become more efficient, flexible, and reliable. Want to learn more? Visit our website or contact us anytime. Ketchen, your trusted partner in advanced brazing solutions.